In this video, we will see different ways in which we can apply a feature, which means that the ways in which we can check mark to apply the feature. So we have a fully defined sketch here. Let's click on the sketch and click on extruded boss space. One very common way is to click on the check mark here and another check mark is here. Both will give the same result. So let's click here and the feature is applied. Another way to apply the feature is let's right click and edit this. Simply after inserting the value and direction, press enter. The feature has been applied. Once again, let's edit. And now let's see another way. On the canvas, right click and click OK. And one other way is to right click here, edit the feature. In this method, make sure that something is not selected in the property manager. So click on the canvas, press the D key. The pop-up menu appears right near your cursor. Click OK. And we have applied the feature. These are different ways and you can see which one fits your needs and can save some time for you. Even if a method saves a few seconds, it can build up and lead to minutes and also hours of time saved. So let us know what you think of these tips and we will come back with another video.